Hey guys, hope you're all having a wonderful day. Some of you have asked how I harvest my Ashitaba, so I thought I'd bring you in closer and have a look. Here's one of the Ashitabas. I wanted to show you how this plant is structured. See this one here? This outer stem is the oldest growth, and then this one came along, and you can see that the slits is where the new growth comes out of. And finally, the newest or the youngest growth is the one in the center here, which is also the thickest stalk on this plant. So when the plant gets mature enough, you're going to be able to tell that each stalk or stem is going to get thicker and longer or taller than the last. And here we have this stem that's kind of old, basically dying back, and that's totally normal when you see the outer stems turning yellow somehow. I mean, it's just making room for the new growth to come out. Here I have an Ashitaba that I'm going to be showing you how I harvest it. And the way it works, like I explained earlier, is that this stem here and the center growing out is the youngest, newest stem, and the one before this that grew out was this one right here. And this one is in the most outer stem. The most oldest stem of this plant is this one. So the way I harvest usually is I would take the outer stems, because they're gonna grow yellow and they're gonna die off anyway. I might as well take it and enjoy it. But you can see this one's actually turning a little yellow. So the next best stem I'm going to be harvesting to eat will be this one. You can see that it's nice and green. So I'm going to be harvesting this one. And the thing about Ashitaba is that it grows out of the center. You can see right here, it's going to, so the one that's going to be growing out very soon is inside of here. So it's going to grow out of here. That's why I don't like to harvest the stem that's in the center, because the new growth comes out of there. If you do want to take the one in the center, I would suggest to cut a much higher, cut it from like higher above, because then you won't be disturbing the new stem that's basically going to be born. So yeah, instead in my case, I like to harvest the ones on the outside. So I'm going to be taking it from this stalk, this stem right here. Here it goes. See how it's oozing out? Be careful, this really stains, and it's actually really hard to get this sap off of you. So this is what it's called, chalcone. This is the really potent medicinal part of this herb. And yeah, as you can see, this can have the potential to grow a little bigger than this too. But you can see a good size comparison with this growth, a plant that's more mature like this. Just harvesting one stalk is quite a lot to eat. Here's a baby plant, and look at this. Look at the comparisons. So, you're not gonna usually find the yellow sap coming out of a plant this young usually. So the bigger it gets, it's going to start developing the chalcone. Now I'm just wondering if you guys noticed that some Ashitaba, like these ones here, have a more warm yellow undertone. That's because they are exposed to more sunlight than the ones that have the deep dark green color. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you find this video to be helpful, be sure to like it and share it with your family and friends. And please subscribe to the channel for more future videos. If you're looking for Ashitaba or other exotic plants, be sure to check out wendyland.com. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Mwah. Bye.